Are you sure it's just a cold and a fever? Because you don't look too good.
Yeah, I'll be alright. I just got the shivers. It's just cold in here.
You be okay?
I'll be alright.
Okay, I'll be back in a couple hours. Do not get out from there. Do not do anything dangerous, okay?
I won't get up from here. I don't feel like doing anything today. I just want to go to sleep.
No weird experiments. So, see you later. Bye.
I never do weird experiments. Bye. See you later.
Go time! So you're probably asking yourself, Mark, what are you up to? Well, I'm up to #science. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So, I've always wondered, how big can you make a balloon before it explodes? Now, the other day I was kind of messing around with this idea in the shop, in the garage. It was like 30 degrees outside, with the air compressor hooked up to a balloon, blew it up incredibly fast. It got to be, I don't know, 2 feet in diameter. It was huge before it exploded. But I thought, that was, just 90 psi, going into it all at once, just blowing it up, just to see what happened. So I started thinking, what if I let the pressure in super slowly on warm rubber instead of cold? So the balloon has time to expand and, the rubber has time to keep up stretching to, keep up with it. So I've created this. Basically, I've got it came off actually. I've got a air blow gun with the valve taped open. I have this balloon perfectly taped, centered on top, connected to the air compressor. So I have it at 100 psi, 3 gallon, oilless pancake compressor. So my idea is I'll be able to slowly turn this valve open, this regulator, and very, very slowly inflate that balloon. My theory is I'll be able to make that thing huge, big. That's my hope at least. So I have slow motion camera, action camera, recording in slow motion. We should get this thing pretty well, and we should capture this thing pretty well. So let's do it. Let's put goggles on. Let's do it. Slow motion. Slow motion. So now that one right there is recording as well. So now we should be good. This thing is all on there, perfectly centered, it's nice and tight, and the valve's closed, or open, Now we should be able to go over here and very slowly turn this regulator in until it'll start to expand a little bit. Just let's control the pressure like this. Slowly increase the pressure. Well, not quite as big as I had hoped, but that went off with a bang. Alright guys, I got another balloon on there. This time it's a used balloon. So it was inflated then deflated again. So now, that was a few months ago. So now that rubber should be already kind of pre-stretched. So we'll see if that makes a difference. Alright guys, so I put the last balloon I have, also a pre-used balloon. I'm going to try to just inflate it really quickly, not super slow. That super slow worked, got a pretty big balloon. I'm just going to try to go really fast and see what that does. So, got the cameras recording, let's do it. Well, that was a rather loud explosion. Alright, let's get this stopped. Get this stopped. Awesome. This little thing over here. Let's get this little guy stopped. Alright. Well, so what we learned today is you can blow balloons up quite large. I wish I could have gotten it as big as I had gotten it that one day, but they can get pretty big if you inflate them slowly. Now, I inflated it super fast. It didn't blow up as big as I thought it would probably blow up, so it's something to consider. But you know, I took a tiny little balloon and made it really big just by using compressed air super slowly. So I think that's kind of interesting that if you let rubber stretch super slowly, it'll get really big, even though it's super thin, before it explodes. So, and the regulator is only drawing like half a PSI or something. It was pretty low, but now I got a pretty good mess to clean up around here. But that's what science is all about. So, thanks for watching Excitement Technology. Be sure to subscribe and like this video, and I will see you next time.
I never do weird experiments.